Hello guys, today we are going to learn that how to solve all centers of 4x4 cube. So let's get started.
First you have to make white, then yellow, green, orange, blue and red.
This is a very easy step, you just have to do some moves.
Make the bars and insert it.
And then insert one piece with the bar. Now attach that one leftover piece with a single piece with bar. Follow steps shown in the video. Now yellow turn.
If you attach a yellow piece to the yellow side, then white will be scramble. So follow the steps shown in the video.
Now move on green.
Green is the same just like how we do white. And then orange and blue same like yellow, just insert the one or two piece by this algorithm R2F2 and R2.
Watch the steps shown in the video.
After you have solved, the blue side, red side will be solved automatically. Congratulations, you have make centers of cube. In next video, we will learn how to make edges of 4x4 cube.
Make sure to like and subscribe.